Internet, hello! So today is going to be a less serious video, more of a vlog style. I just moved to Arizona and I am now attending Arizona State University. I got a few clips of the move and me packing up my stuff and getting out of the house. I'll show you those right now. So I may not have a video on this Wednesday, not entirely sure if I can get that finished yet. But if you look at the floor of my room, everything has been taken out. Got all this stuff here. Everything's maxed out to the top of the back seat. Trunk's capped off. My car is actually lowered a tad bit, so this is usually a lot further up. So, for reference, this is how high the car usually sits. It was this low. This is how high the car sits. Just got finished moving all my stuff to my dorm room. So I got my 3D printer, of course, most of my tools, my camera box, got my rollerblades, then, you know, toiletries, clothes, my 32-inch monitor, I have to bring that, and my refrigerator and my longboard. So my roommate is not invisible, he's just not here yet. So as soon as I meet him, you know, we'll get to know each other. But I think I'm a pretty easy guy to get along with. Obviously you can see that I have plenty of sweat. I'm gonna go take a shower. But I'm finally moved in to my dorm room, so let college begin. So this shower head's a piece of crap.
Yeah, that's so yeah, it's
I use my 3D printer.
Yeah,
Made a new one.
Or if like you guys aren't in your dorm or whatever, it's closed to because I mean obviously.
It's weird, it's all locked.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, that's weird.
I was thinking about that. I was like, why are there no locks?
Yeah, some water damage.
There you go. Much better.
So, still not perfect, but it's a lot better than what we had. So I got the idea to 3D print the shower head after my first shower. I basically just searched on Thingiverse and I was like, okay, good. But then, of course, there was water all over the floor when I got out of the shower, so I decided to make this little hanger. The first model was too small, and so then I decided to edit the model, and I made it a little bit longer, reprinted it, and this is the time lapse of it. Now, there was water pretty much all over the floor going all the way to the door, and so I needed 12 of the hangers, but I made them about 5 inches tall, and each of these hangers cost about 2 cents to print out, and this entire print job you're seeing right now only took a total of 20 minutes to complete because I'm using the 0.8 millimeter nozzle head with the E3D V6. These are the original shower curtain hangers we had, so they're like 2 inches tall. And because they were like 2 inches tall, this was way up here and we were getting water all over our floor. It was ridiculous. So, of course, 3D printed much longer ones. These are like 5 inches tall, but I got them all across the top. So now we have a 3D printed shower head and the shower curtain hangers as well. So I'm really glad I brought this thing. So as you saw in the previous clips, I've already used the 3D printer twice to fix problems, and I've only been here for like 36 hours. So I'm really glad I brought that. My entire rig set up already. You know, I got my 3D printer, 32-inch monitor, I got my desktop set up, but I also have the Surface over here. The internet's ridiculously fast here. The people are awesome. My roommate's cooler than most of the people here. So like Austin is just great. You know, it's really nice to have a cool roommate, and everyone on the floor is real nice as well. What can I say? I mean, I'm just loving the crap out of it here. Go Devils. So hopefully next week I'll have a real 3D printing video. And hopefully I can get some better lighting because the lighting here is crap. At least for the camera's sake. But my videos usually aren't this boring if this is the first time you seeing me. If you want to see more of my videos, go hit my name around that area and go check out the other videos. If you like those other videos, make sure you click the subscribe button. If you attend ASU or you love ASU, leave a comment down below that says, Go Devils, and, you know, I'll see you next Wednesday with, you know, an actual 3D printing video. But thanks for watching.